Hi, this is Jay with Pure Nintendo. I'm trying to document a popping or clicking noise that I'm hearing during the Rabbids Land game. I'm going to start playing a game and we will see if we can make it happen. Okay, so I've set up the game here. You can kind of see it. Hopefully it's not too difficult. So I'm going to start playing the game here. There, did you just hear it? There was a glitch sound. There it was again. Pop and click, you may or may not have heard that. And one more when I switch screens.